Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Pratibha. Do you want to manifest your dream job, but you feel stuck? What if the real manifestation block is in mindset, but it's energy and the unmet needs? In this video, I will explain how the chakra system and the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which I will explain later, work together to help you manifest your dream career that fulfills you. Let's get into it. Let me first explain about Maslow's hierarchy of needs. And it's a pyramid graph that explains about the human needs, ranging from the basic needs to the deep needs. Okay, Maslow was a psychologist and he developed it. The bottom of the pyramid or the basic needs, which includes food, sleep, safety, which are necessary for survival. And emotional needs include love, connection, confidence and all that. And top of the graph is where fulfillment, purpose, creativity, they are there. When your basic needs aren't met, it's hard to think about your purpose or goals, right? Because every day is challenge. Every day is a survival state. And it's hard to think about your goals and go after it. That's why every human's basic needs has to be met so they can think about their goals, purpose, and move towards it with clarity and, just a relaxed mind because their essential needs are met. They don't have to worry about, whether they have food on their plate or roof over their head, right? So it doesn't always go like that. Some people who are less fortunate still think about their purpose, goals, and move towards it even when their essential needs aren't met. Some people cannot do that. That's why it's important to not judge people who are less fortunate than us. It doesn't take much to be kind, right? Like I said, the hierarchy of needs doesn't always go from basic to the deep. Sometimes deep needs is what is the driving force for most people because only when they have this purpose of theirs, they can actually survive the day-to-day challenges because they have something to look forward to. For some people, it is hard to think about their goals because they are focusing on their struggles that is present in front of them. A psychological tool where people see themselves at where they are and where they want to go. It doesn't matter if you're fortunate or less fortunate. If your focus is on the top of the graph, it's possible to achieve it. So it's a choice of free will. That's all I'm saying. And I see Maslow's hierarchy of needs as a psychological as well as a spiritual tool. Let me explain why later. But yeah, now let's look at the chakra system. It's your energetic map. Each chakra relates to a part of your life and your personal power. Okay, let me explain chakra system in simple terms. There are 7 main chakras starting from the base of the spine and extending to the top of your head and beyond. And at the base of the spine, you have root chakra, which is related to the needs of survival and safety. And it is basically grounding energy. And the one above root chakra is sacral chakra. Okay. And that is associated with emotions and pleasure. That's where creativity or creation energy comes out. And the solar plexus is the chakra above sacral chakra. And that's where we have confidence, personal power, self-worth, and that is the related need. And then comes the heart chakra, which is associated with connection, love, compassion. And then you have throat chakra, which is related to the needs of expression, communication, truth, voice. So all of that is throat chakra. Then comes the third eye chakra, which is related to the intuition, vision, clarity, all that. Then at the top of your head is the crown chakra, which is associated with the higher power. That's where your purpose, that is the highest need, right? Hope you understood it. When your root chakra isn't grounded enough or ungrounded, and when your solar plexus chakra is constantly doubting your worth, then you might actually block the job that you're manifesting, even if you're affirming about it daily, because the energy in these chakras are imbalanced. They are not properly addressed. So until and unless you address them, you're going to not have the confidence and the clarity to take up the job that you actually want, because you know that you want, but your mind, your energy isn't allowing you to take up that. Your dream job isn't about paycheck. It's about alignment. It's about being in the right place at the right time with the right energy. Unless you have them, you won't be able to manifest the job that you actually want, because you don't have the right energy or the confidence to actually live that version of you. So you have to correct them first. So we have to address these blocks in these lower chakras to get to the highest point of human needs, which is the purpose and creativity and fulfillment. So we have to address these blocks step by step, from survival to confidence, then to purpose. When you actually clear these blockages in the lower chakras, it's easy to raise the vibration of the higher chakras. It's easy to go up. It is actually tough to address these blocks in the lower chakras. But when you do it, when you do the hard work and actually clear these blocks, it's easy to improve your intuition. It is easy to improve your communication, your truth, your voice, your purpose. It's easy to do that. So I want to give you a journal prompt and actually want you to reflect on your current state and where your needs reside. Okay? Ask yourself, what am I really chasing in a career? Is it money? Is it security, recognition, or fulfillment? Or purpose? What is that? Write about it honestly from the place of truth. You will know what kind of energies that you want to move on from. So why I have explained about Maslow's hierarchy of needs and chakra system. If you look closely, both of these share almost similar kind of hierarchy of needs. So you go from the basic needs to the higher needs. Same with chakras. You go from the foundational energy, emotional energy, and then you go to the intuition and higher purpose. So I just wanted to compare the psychological, spiritual model with the actual energy system. That helps you to understand the blockages that we commonly see in our psyche and in our energy. I just want you to know about yourself So I have explained it in the energetical terms as well as in the spiritual psychological terms. So you can compare your needs in both of these systems and see where you fit. In the next video, we will start with the foundational energy, which is your root chakra, and how to actually clear those blocks in the root chakra and move up to your sacral or solar plexus. And if you want to manifest your dream job and clear these blockages in the lower chakras, follow the series and see you all in the next video. Bye.